Hello students, today we are going to learn a new physical quantity called work. Any physical and mental activity in our daily life is defined as work. Work is done when a force is applied on a body and a force displaces a body in the direction of applied force. Here, work done is depend on the magnitude of applied force, that is, W is directly proportional to F, and the work done is also depend on the distance traveled by the body in the direction of applied force, that is, W is directly proportional to S. In a simple form, if a constant force displaces a body at a distance S in the direction of applied force, then the work done is equal to the product of the force and displacement, which is given by formula W is equal to F multiplied by S. Here is the definition of work or work done is: whenever a force makes a body move, then work is said to be done. Or another definition is: work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. Therefore, work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. The mathematical expression W is equal to F multiplied by S. SI unit of work done is Joule is equal to Newton meter. 1 Joule is equal to 1 Newton multiplied by 1 meter, which is MKS or SI unit of work. CGS unit of work is erg. 1 erg is equal to 1 dyne multiplied by 1 centimeter. Here, work is a scalar quantity. Then what is the definition of 1 joule? 1 joule work is defined as: if a 1 Newton force displaces the object through 1 meter in the direction of applied force, then that work is 1 joule. 1 joule is also equal to 1 Newton meter. A body does not move always in the direction of applied force. A body can also move at an angle with the direction of applied force, which is seen in this figure. In such a case, we will consider a component of displacement in the direction of force as S cos theta, where work done W is equal to F multiplied by S cos theta. Let us see how does the work changes with respect to the value of theta. There are 3 types of works which depend on value of theta. They are positive work, negative work, and zero work. First one, positive work. Suppose a man lift a box from the ground to the place on his head. The S is in the direction of applied force, which is in upward direction. So here theta will be 0. Since cos theta, that is cos 0, is equal to 1, the work done will be W is equal to F multiplied by S, and the work done is positive. Second type is negative work. In second case, the gravitational force acts towards the center of the earth and displacement is in opposite direction of the gravitational force. Here theta will be 180 degree. Since cos 180 degree is equal to -1, the work done here will be W is equal to minus F into S. Thus, the work done by the gravitational force is negative. Third type is zero work. In third case, suppose a man carrying a box on his head. He walks for a distance s horizontally, and gravitational force acts on that box is perpendicular to the direction of displacement. Here theta will be 90 degree. Since cos 90 is equal to 0, the work done by the gravity here will be 0 work.